Hi everyone, myself Chandrapratap Reddy M from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, studying second year B.Tech in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology, Anantapur. Today we are discussing about explain strategy for transition from the state present state to universal human order. Transition to universal human order. This presentation outlines a strategic approach to transition from the current state of the global affairs to a future defined by universal human orders. The present state, challenges and limitations. Global inequality. Deep disparities exist in access to resources, opportunities, and basic human rights. Environmental degradation. Climate change, pollution, and resource depletion pose significant threats to the planet. Political polarization, ideological divides, and mistrust hinder effective collaboration and problem solving. Technological disruption, rapid advancements in AI and other technologies require careful ethical and societal considerations. Defining the universal human order. Global peace and harmony. Universal human order prioritizes peaceful coexistence and cooperation among the nations and peoples. Sustainable development. It embraces principles of environment, stewardship, and responsible use of resources, social justice, and inequality. It ensures equitable distribution of resources, opportunities, and rights for all individuals. Principles of universal human order. Human rights and dignity. Recognizing in the inherent worth and equal rights of all individuals. Global citizenship. Promoting a sense of shared responsibility and interconnectedness among all the people. Sustainable development, prioritizing environmental protection, social well-being, and economic growth, aligning individual and collective well-being. First one, empower individuals, supporting individual growth, self-reliance, and meaningful contributions. Second one, fostering collective well-being, creating societies that are just, equitable, and sustainable for all. Third one, harmony and balance, promoting a healthy balance between individual needs and the common good. Transitioning societal structures and systems. First one, education and awareness, promoting global understanding, empathy, and shared a vision for the future. Second one, institutional reform, restructuring global governments to be more inclusive, transparent, and accountable. Third one, economic transformation, shifting to a more equitable and sustainable economic model that benefits all people. Fourth one, technological advancement, leveraging technology for social good and to address global challenges. Fostering collaborative governance, international cooperation, strengthening multilateral institutions and fostering collaborative solutions. Citizen engagement, empowering citizens to participating in decision making processes and hold leaders accountable. Transparent and accountable governance, ensuring that institutions operate openly and are responsive to the needs of the people. leveraging technological advancements, global communication, facilitating interconnectedness and knowledge sharing, data-driven solutions, using data analytics to address global challenges, sustainable development, leveraging AI and automation for resource optimization and environmental protection, citizen empowerment, using technology to promote civic engagement and transparency, cultivating a global mindset and consciousness, education and dialogue, promoting intercultural understanding and appreciation, global collaboration, facilitating connections and partnerships across borders, roadmap and key milestones for transition. Phase 1, education and awareness, raising global awareness and promoting education about universal human order. Phase 2, institutional reform, reforming global governance structures to be more inclusive and effective. Phase 3, technological advancements, leveraging technology to accelerate progress toward a more sustainable and just world. Phase 4, global collaboration, fostering international cooperation and partnership for a shared future. Thank you.